I'm gonna go over a jacket, not just any jacket, a heated jacket from the company KastKing. I want y'all to check this out. There is nothing on the box here, but you know what? You see that logo, the KastKing logo? I have done a lot of products from KastKing, and I have been nothing but impressed with their product line. And this is part of their, what they're calling the Calido, I think is how you say that, their Calido series. There's the socks, the gloves. I had some gloves, some mitts, really good, high quality. And just looking over, I did take it out of the package here and kind of look over it. Number one, you get this little set of instructions here, and then you get, you know what, a nice big battery right here. So let's check inside this package is a battery here and a charger, and it is a USB-C charger, and the battery that came with it is a, looks like a 10,000 milliamp battery. Oh boy, that's a lot of power. And its logo, check that out. This is their battery. KastKing has a little nice feel to it. There's a USB in right here, a USB-C, and it looks like a USB mini in and a USB-A out. And it looks like, oh, you got two outs. How cool is that? That this is also one heck of a power bank, considering it's a 10,000 milliamp power bank. Then you got the jacket itself here. Or this isn't a jacket, this is really the vest here. And let me just kind of like go over this vest. It is a very high quality premium fill-in vest, and I think it's 100% polyester. This is 100% polyester, so it's all synthetic. They have fleece lined up here around the neck, and the heating pads, just so you know, are right here on the back and right here kind of on the kidneys, or the front. It's right here on the front, which is, I guess that's the liver and guts. So you got heating pad here, and a heating pad in the back, and it's the vest. So you'd wear this over something, or you could just wear it by itself. And looking over this, you know, they make this for fishing, but I think it could be used for a wide range of things. You got a stash pocket up here. You got the cool KastKing logo on it right there. You got a pocket here, and I don't think there's one on the back, nothing on the back there. Let's just go ahead and let's put the battery in. To put the battery in, you go right here. They have a very high quality cable that has a cover on it. So you see that? So you're gonna get the battery, turn it on, and then plug that in there. Let's close that up. Very simple. The thing weighs, I think it's at 220 grams is what the weight is. Looking at it here, you can see we got power on that. So that's off. Press it once. You have the low. Let me just kind of like go over the ratings here. Oh yeah, there's the heating zone. So the heating zones are in the back, and there's two in the front there. The first one is 100 degrees. So the light is the 100 degrees, which I think they're calling that the white light. And then the second is the orange, which is a medium, which is 113 degrees. The third is the red, which is 122 degrees Fahrenheit, which gives you power up to 3.5 hours. And then the other ones are 6 hours and 10 hours of power that you can have, 10 hours of heating that you can have with this thing. And this just kind of goes over some of the care and how to take care of the jacket, and then a lifetime warranty on it. How cool is that? This thing is really premium, y'all. Let me just go ahead and put it on. I am wearing kind of a long sleeve, so let me put this thing on and see what it feels like. And you could see how tucked away that is down there. I like how this is kind of out of the way. You don't see it much. The other ones are very bright. This one is very inconspicuous, so you don't have to have people constantly like, hey, you got a heated jacket on. I like how they did that. They hid it kind of down here. Most of them will do it right up here. This kind of looks like a good vest. And I can go in between a large and extra large depending on the brand. And this is a large. I feel like it's nice and snug. Feels really good on me. It's very form-fitting because it is a jacket. Oh, the pockets are fleece lined. Look at that. I did not know the pockets had fleece lined pockets. How cool is that? And it feels like right there, I'm feeling heat right here. Oh, I guess that's so it heats your hand up. And I'm feeling heat on the back. Very impressive. This thing looks really good. This is a really good looking vest. It kind of makes me look more professional than what I really am. I will be wearing this on my fishing trips and just kind of like random travels around. But yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the KastKing heated vest. See y'all in the next video. Woo!